Abujama me Akosua Serwaa na me no kase yese maame wosesa ne tie bia no no ne wose wo ye na wose wo ye kire se onte ne hujai ama me no kase abusia leg yese maame na bo modern afale court injunction e de akwakoto dade Lumba fie what Tantral abusia ene enya asem keto kura ne fie no so yate aka se efie no ya konta prince anana etifie honum se yampa se yampa abusia ne Lumba wuye no betutu ja biblia na timliga wife fui fire ewo ho na ne ewom ni se maame no ss fie no ono maame Akosua Serwaa ne dade Lumba ne bo modern ekokosi se fie no ansakura mpo no mu movie e de akọ East Legon ehonum akwakosi wode no enti sese asam no court ne se dade Lumba japade ye nche de ya ne beboa ne se court mo modern na wonfa injunction ento Tantral efie no so abusia ene yasam keto akura ne fie ensem yimu so no ato aso se maame Akosua Serwaa akokopie mu Ghana free Germany hakopie mu Ghana no naka wose akaya mamle mu no ka wose ko ni fie na abusia pani ko fie usu tupa kokosi na yie ewo ho na so ye hu ni sa Kenpong fie ene kuko na no ene abusia nchire mu abase na yampa se nka wose ko wokoda de Lumba fie ana se impuko ko no afie nti o meki se ko be koda de Lumba fie we East Legon na mpani fo bi ne tu ni fo se mo nko ho no ma e ma ne confront to ana so consult despite and after so Kenpong so mo mienu no ko be hwe na watena baako efia despite kurampo ye so be man baby atena Kenpong so man ye so be man baby atena e man dey choose Kenpong fie over despite no ho ana busia pani kokosi na ye ntinya se bia ono na ye se ko onko East Legon ho ye se ko be ko na mpanifo bi ene tu ne fo busia enchiremu ne doso na mepe so be ka me ho akwaji nchiremu hagusi eke Black Media
with that man.
You
Ashanti Queen, your friend, Okuta Bisenya home. Or your goddess, or your goddess.
Something that we can correct or also educate people on. It seems Serwaa Shingler won marriage certificates and they don't get it. But me sack of my marriage certificates and I realized that I have my my maiden name was so till say me sister me diko for my husband there no. And are people not privy to that? Say marriage certificate you can last name in your child so. And uncofonium and I go.
Say, what you say? The media name yesterday, like why? All these questions are just ridiculous questions. They just
my brother has sent this. My brother has sent this. My brother has sent this.
Yeah, what was I?
Independence.
Why you're crying to Angel? You know a jai. Oh, nobody Timoliga maybe I'm on China some. Mama educating call for mommy way free education, free nuggets. Probably will help people.
Me pacho manyeme ke name ke nime. A friend is a mranti and rabafo ma men papa bon. Miss Ramo, our radio qua Yamiadum Brony Free BBID or driver's license. O call a friend is saying courthouse wa. O call a ye from saying cry. Baby, I'll call your license, whatever it's called. Me patrol qua. Issuing ID no ID ade be show monsem no and no usually no ye de be fail forms ye de be ye bibia
yeah ma okay
panet ye
okay question
wada roman pacho se me kasa wi why ze say de me ne mo kasa me ye careful man hwe ya meji duabo be thousands and me
pacho me busa straight questions
se wo so man no ayemre intimisro wada roman be me na Pacho maminka senwe why misro enti so kwa license no and almost whatever ID a government issued ID has to be a government issued ID. Enti no de kwa and no I believe say minimum the me process there that is how it went. Na almost sheswa no mo dia fele forms no. Enti no say wo fa a marriage certificate biana change of name no is another process that you do later. Me dear sana e call e. Inti no so marriage certificate no so na edin na e wo so no. Mpacho eno ye government issued ID no. Eno ne ye hwe so ne ye de ye ma wo. Okay. Inti mpacho, that is what I know.
Yeah, because my share my social security name me driver's license it bears my husband last name, but because share my marriage certificate me Diana me crans and me wearing and then also.
And no
it's not as I my confusing and I go and go for the and I be omonium into thanks for the education. Thanks for the
education. Said no no my show the pahade.
I'm very privileged to getting this information from you. So I would ask, Akosua Serwaa left Ghana with a passport and an ID card on a name say Madam Akosua Serwaa na ebanese na ni Germany ni ID card okita Madam Akosua Serwaa Shendela. Something happened to Mama Beme. Fufuna me one I'll be dinner what happened to the name and the identity she traveled with from Ghana to Germany, which was Akosua Serwaa? What happened? Why did she adopt the name Shendela? Was she recolonized? Did something happen?
Mama de mananusina
Nyame adom say Mami Akosua Serwaa minyini say no area from no de Germany. She was a full grown adult. And you know, if she went into a union be so ware before me but a possible so being an adult there a very possible say be a or ware ain't no patrol no de no mimi no Mama that's what I believe.
Okay, so okay, yeah, you about
Mama bed no my bushani be in your kwantu kwine or koye no papa na or adopting no or so ye Ghanaian and it's already a family name na a din be or nipa no ebe a din be our initially we didn't have that name, but later on that family name we had to pick up on that name because oko do a kwantu mono na nipa na or fa no adopting no e decide na to so. And these are kind of ways that we saying being for fire.
Okay. Was adopted in Germany.
No, I say and also big to me. Yes, I'm not saying that.
Okay.
Yeah.
So did you hear the news going around saying the man is Shendela? Nah. Let me ask you.
Ebiana America say nipa no or konya said no ne many nyina was sad ni bi.
And I maybe I was saying, Mama Akosua Serwaa, she being the mother to the kids out there, you know, was there a father figure in the picture when the man moved them? She gave birth to them.
Okay, so thankfully to this case, you know, me yeni omo Germany ni bidding come say, how is this possible? Actually, probably I was in the same shoes as you are. I'll be some question. No, must say, Germany, no. And Kwani Bebre no omo be omo mama din enti nye wan I mean to me come much details into it no me patcho mama ni we dey woni bibia na waka yeah mean to me come much detail no yes
I have a clear idea because I have 18 family members in Germany. Okay. 18. Not Kenya back when you 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17, 18. They are not burying their mother's name. They are burying the name of
the father probably has legal status. If the father of your child does not have legal status at the time that the child
yes, that was the explanation they gave. Yep. Yeah.
It's a lie. It's a lie. If you don't have that's even an avenue for that Mama Bear Tobo. If you don't Mama Bear Tobo.
Did you want to answer yourself? My
about to make a statement.
Ben, follow. Na me send me back penny. Mami follow. Na me send me back penny. Ya wo no ne banda ye de born in sano. Ye draw baby kunedu. Until my ex-husband came to the your friend is a hospital, showed his ID and filled out the forms. before they gave
Mama
my child her
Bear,
name.
missing hotel,
International Vocal on Pacho, where aside from that, Ben, I am a nurse, so I'm telling you, sir, I know
Mama
this.
Bear,
This is standard protocol. It is standard protocol.
I'm not. Will you be patient a little bit? Mama Bear, your uncle, your woman, Canada, Hanoma, Sebi, number power Ghana. They go to the embassy to go and fill the form for the birth certificate. Now they deny to Akwalano. So it's not even about having a legal status.
Look down,
Nobody can deny you the
look down right there. There's a lady called TP. Can you not shout at us? We are not children. Don't talk to us like that. Nyabotre, Ben.
I'm not shouting. I'm just laughing at you people because you're just lying through your teeth and it's funny. Martin, no problem. No problem.
Can I ask my question?
Can I ask the question? What do you have?
Mama Bear, can I ask my question?
Mama Bear, because Mama Bear has been being sarcastic.
Mama Bear, can I ask my question?
I'm listening.
I understand she was trying to be sarcastic, but you have to understand. Who did you baby?
Who's talking?
To sack. And ex Abusuapeni. Let me tell you, imagine sir, I don't say sir to pass.
I'm loved by. I'm not engaging you. I'm not engaging. You are speaking in at the pub. We have someone disrupting the program.
Like, okay,
that's the way you came here.
Oh, madam, you just came here.
Nobody, we are
acting like a child, insulting people, disrespecting people. I'm loved. That's all you are doing. You're not being an adult at all. Please don't engage me. Don't address me. Don't address me. Or farm who apemdidi nkwa mami penyimu. O kasa ekra me hu se we
mami penyimu.
Because you are being very silly.
When Eugene came, you never
let me listen to you.
Thank you, Adepa. My first question, Pacho, what could court and answer when in court proceedings?
Wada Roman Pacho I Makobi.
Unimipa.
Makobi, Mampacho.
Okay, good. Into the end, we have a work. When says Alex, acquire information with Germany. Now when you baby, now Obertana at the Paha, and now Kotana baby at the Chile amount for a bear said the Papa she and not the end, a bear in a miserable in court.
Akwesi, someone said the other thing all this while you've been forcing Mami Akosua to come and show her marriage.
My Busa Mami Akosua small. When I was say Alex if I been chiro, and I mean Busa say when you say Alex the chiro.
Me patrol Akwesi has say Alex has any court has any institution assigned Alex so on your private investigation. Here evidence to admit it. Yaman is a Juma.
Say Oko court. Now no be nyasema. So the kwakoye private investigation or say they your NDA ewo ho. Abusuapeni na bia waka che ne say odobroni don't tear ma me person osisidenti. Kono kwaye private investigation, that's one. And a two, wakoye kra ne de mana ontimi nsole so or the court. E was so be a whole new case. Into no there are steps and if okunya by na
Pacho yesu Alex Daben
it's not about the suing, men can't sue
anyone. Yes, you need Daben because or call before that. Okay, yes, so-called
2 months prior
to that. Asma make and can't shoot no baby.
And
you shoot no one so
Alex, ne Mami Akosua case or court. Ebusuapeni wo any Mami Akosua say wa e case or court.
Ebusuapeni. Mami Akosua say wa e appeal. Yes or no?
Oko appeal, yes. Oko appeal.
Okay, that means so on it Ebusuapeni.
Oko prove or no marriage. Oko prove or no marriage. It has nothing to do with Ebusuapeni.
I didn't also mano. Me pacho.
I she never let people speak. So she wants to drop the person.
Madam Oswani.
What's up?
I know, she's like a child. Oh
okay. Appeal now Okon, right? Case be na what they call appeal.
Or the in the case say or prove say or no is that the Lumba's only existing wife.
Where the kame sa case no na odobroni Ebusuapeni ne ayi for no home no. Say na o maka ho.
Akwesi, that's done with.
Oh, madam,
that case, no. That yes, no, but that's language.
So they call appeal. That is appeal.
I think that Mama Bear, Yamawinyanti legal proceedings.
Yeah, I don't think you understand legal procedures. So Alexa Okweno, what you can say me ko ye abrebu su penny for the appeal. Appeal ni we answer.
Alex Nim say if it is Obeka Wansem it is not admissible in court, then why has he been broadcasting it? At the end of the day, he has been telling us his findings.
Madam, okay, be no.
He has been telling us his findings.
Menka say ontimi kan say kwakum bibi o. Me say ontimi fan kire ye.
Yeah, they training ye canon ni anya de kro.
There be madam metumi abegina ha ka kiro say metumi abegina ha ka kiro say me ku obi atome dem me infa body nkire wa untimi go kanje police for mom nchimeda. There's two different things.
No one has ever said that.
There be almost one for me every day.
You're lying. If you could
the point is,
you're lying. Akwesi asked a valid question, but she couldn't answer it. You know about
don't say that on social media.
Okay, me the man kasa me say mama be na kind dia.
Ti answer on the court no. I was some appeal ni wie na onko be a whole new case.
And into court ni nim sa na omo issue no say omra no.
Court no court ni issue no court ni issue Alex. Court be issue Alex. Akosua say one issue Alex.
Say Akosua say one continue the way. Say one continue to him. It's an ongoing issue.
Madam,
very simple.
Echina, Sibu Alex Din, Namuni Kujina court. Na Okojina court ho, I can say yes. Me can say a faker. Do you know what idea a business?
Akwesi. Alex has not even been sued because Musi Enyeni anyway.
No, madam, media man can say anything. Man can say anything. Muntie. Me patch
understand, sir. There is difference between visual and verbal evidence. When you have evidence with legal processing, you need to understand the legal processing. Some of you speak without like ignorance. You are not trying to be sarcastic. Somebody that went to nursing school, you should and critical thinking. You have no ignorance. You are
an adult and you are so silly.
So Minkasabi na
remember if I'm macho Mr. Mama Obia and disrespect. Me pacho baby daddy. Mempa.
Adepa.
When I now person okay Bibiana because we saw dropping us by a long time we just watch it.
Oh, Adepa say me dey me titi nkofa tell me me tia na mystery Adepa. I just want us to just wait this lawsuit that my medical no. Adepa fufusi kana me can say ombeshene no. And one more question no. Because we mama yakofa lawyer. As I'm a lawyer no power of attorney. Adepa say ya na mama koye yakofa power of attorney. Edeko ma ya mama Georgia. Enye mama so as na bu so mama kan.
Yama wadwuma.
Aba say ya na mama Akosua Serwaa eka di kan court. Nandi kunu say on now worry or for power of attorney at the public kaya ba platform business you can't some ko si o quarter or say I power of attorney or han ko nkasa nya maame na adepa e dey be na si maame Akosua say we say court bi wa sama power of attorney and the more amudi na chi am supporting how do you feel? Do you think maame Akosua truly even cares about what everything happening?
But they say a law or a loyalty, that's the difference.
Adepa, it does not make we cry your worst chain first no.
Oh.
Adepa, we cry a yamana kana mana na wotu na ode no ho ato we hwira tinam. Ana we hwira ginam no e deeper than ba ko no. Say ma me jojina de no anim no. No e na downfall. O kan nsem kire no. Ode na 90 many years ne childhood friend. Ne chocho mucho. Lawyer we anim no yin. Ma me onim ni we hefa. Ene lawyer no mum ne one man the power of attorney say kwachichin kofo na Adepa, let me make some point clear. Obi say defamation me mother de no I no kwai me hinchen obuzu apanyam de anyway mother de na me tanchen abuzu apanyam de mother can call Mami Akosua say what to come and speak in the witness box with me court with my kaja say ombra and awamba assemble kwaitia no. Because mother has had a personal engagement with Mami Akosua Serwaa. It is the same some mother has a certificate and a fake. Now say Mami Akosua Serwaa say on Thursday was sooner. Odru court another defense will be that Mami na catch me. Mami no menina nante menina you no na catch me. The court will say oh yeah sure say Mami na catch up. Mami na catch me. Okay Mami a mother the kind of statement or say Mami na catch and say I didn't a fake. The court will like Mami Akosua Serwaa to come there and come and answer say I'm no catch a lady na Mami Akosua Serwaa yes the court will ask her to come. If she decides not to come but that will go against her. So please the people who come here and spend hours and nights and fighting for Mami Akosua Serwaa, the person you are fighting for, listen, whether she loses or olusu ana ha na mu su ha na mu bobo dua na mu kum ho na mo ne nkofo ku na nkofo bobo dua no, she doesn't care. She hasn't learned from this power of attorney mete France num tea num coffee no be come and talk court for Ghana mame na me obi kun TikTok. Listen, these things you are doing, it is not healthy. Keep your sanity. Mami Akosua Serwaa doesn't care. Obi say oh yo 5 billion honor 5 billion sikano eto free sro simliga mana basa isika nsada da bi inti usika nkra nsada obe koswa to sika gusa the sika tremanso waste of time, everybody's attention. I don't have a problem if you have $1 billion and want to throw it to the gutter to the swines. I don't have a problem. But the point is that you think that it is worth all of us, all the country's attention and our energy and everything? Is that a better use of money? There be a mekasa de pa ko osu children's home. Inti mo betis ka mama me Akosua Serwaa twetwe unnecessary manso me wie court we say fake. We say pass a certificate ni fake. Inti me ne court. Look at this. The woman who you are fighting for, the husband showed us the way. The husband taught the woman and taught all of us that it is terrible use of money to use it for court, for a manson, for we. It is terrible use of it. And you know, this whole thing at the Department of News where nobody can gag us against one not to say. Nobody. So what court no Korea. You cannot turn around and come and find another way, loophole of coming to stop us from telling the world say waka Korea. Worry. It is part of court. Our court system is adversarial.
Oh God.
Yes, our court system at the part your friend BB say a adversarial. Adversarial in the sense say woko ba ko bedi nkugo. Ni obedi nkugo no your right say catch and say wadi nkugo. Your right say catch and say o submit terrible evidence. Your right say catch and say ade a ko ye dey fake. Your right say catch and say ade we dey wan nya ade. Your right say catch and say we nipa bonini. Your right say catch and say that is adversarial part of our legal system. But when you go court, enko submit fake things, and enko enyama boni or court, and enko submit terrible evidence, and enko make it terrible case. Uwi na ye can. Also obuefu. No, that's not how it works. So when I say usuro say you be catch us say wa come terrible evidence or court and our bon or court and our own kind of clear or court, they don't go to court. Adepa entina ye court ye enfa a judgment no emma only the parties in there. Ask yourself, entina ye we yenka say oh ye court Mr. Bempa when we plaintiff when I go see obi beje social when I see wo beje anitia no more to the general public na obi enya bi kan because one adepa Ghana sika ne de tena se eti asem no Ghana judges no ye sika taxes the two omoka se mummu atentene ne ma on behalf of the good people of Ghana. Enti you cannot later come and tell us say me mahu not authentic ho na mintimi nka not authentic na makohwe masuma me baketo yi se on kinkan ade ne mame me ba na so adepa me mintimi kinkan ade ne ma yi
What's a big guy? What's all this?
Adepa me anko school to fache me my friend me baketo yi say junior bra fa court to krata yi na kinkan me ba yi kan yi no say oh ma where the mintimi mbona me ko internet na hwade me ba no hwe no not authentic can be called fake. Me can fake out kumumuni ya otikwa pai. Onti ase. Adepa me ba no ontimi kan not authentic no we yi word nefu Anthony for.
Legal muye.
Depi adepa enu na make se adepa obi be sa no wo ya omodi hunahuna nkofo no. Adepa sa no mo ye we health adiwe health word one money ya health word one money ya nipa de betimi medical term one kan ya debi adepa that is not it
purported
debi me adepa ena make say ye obi antimi nkyere ye say English word no word aye nyusu and in law no adepa in law the first say much the word nche say me do atem ana magu hu fi no the intent say me ka say maame no okofa certificate no ofa no e no no ankasa esesa signature no adepa and me say owie no e no why obi picture free no do no picture bo no that one I'm casting doubt me blame you for something me show say why a criminal activity. But I can call it fake, not because one hour but because the issuing institution and the issuing person or the man or no na amount fake. Adepa recently, Madam Fumi koye driver's license. Onamana police chino. And a police no certificate or license with it. Minjin to and your license, papa. Minjin to me. Udina or da edahon, edino must spelling wrong. Yede koya ade no enye papa enye original also meaning
that do okro benso
no Japan is here
okay America has decided in 19
America
you get your license from DVLA don't amend so what could you license to DVLA what could you be against the law what for a job what are you talking about
everything about America madam
my team was
that's the only place you get a driver's license
besides vehicle. Can you show me where you can get your driver's license?
We know what we are dealing with here.
When I call something, say a faker. I am not saying say nipa no kuta document no why any criminal activity. It is possible say nipa na or the document no and issuing institution no and amano not an original copy. And I'm a fake copy. At the public market DVA.
But okay, maybe so. Obi kwate krana say defamation and it's not defamation, it's not criminal of course, but
it is not defamatory at the part Nancy Ghana na or say Ghana Drivers Vehicle License Association, DVLA boss, me wo internet is or say, enkofo bi e wo number plate. Ono de onim say number plate in the original. No the nam. But yes, scanning number plate in who said number plate no. And your original enkofo bi na aye. Ono de onimo. Or they are one of the car no say or say Banana Mr. and some Fana compare number plates breme. And Mr. and Sunny number on the number plate now on the car on the ochi. Unim say number plate no a fake on koye any criminal activity. Eye institution else and the man and will be a dupe no. And to say me catch a number plate in a fake. I'm not saying say the person has done anything bad. I'm saying say the number plate in the board and a fake. Ebi anenyawa. And to say oh na say me person make say a fake. I'm not gonna say oh nyemi de nyamia Germany security for na de mame and American military na de mame. Then you state your case, but you don't come here to the people of Ghana who have paid Jai Dorinda her salary to write a rulings for us, and now you are telling all of us we should look at the dictionary and tell the words to use. No, nobody has said that Mami Akosua has done anything criminal. We are not saying so or signed obedient or didn't share. We are not saying
criminal. No was said.
No, we are not saying say. We are not saying say. We are not saying. We are not saying say. Mami Akosua Serwaa did anything wrong. All we are saying is that
Sampona me our town so I know the Okasa.
I don't make say I don't make say so because I didn't hear. Mami Akosua Serwaa na egu fio. Say if the letter is coming from the German embassy or German consulate.
The German all right no sue papa no. German for them all right to sue papa no.
Yes, they can do it.
But Mami the only right.
Do it. Mami need right.
Who told you?
And not make say.
German, all right.
Don't fight a battle that is not your battle. Say okase defamation. Defamation yes say magu institution bi hu fi. Makase DVLA or more license plate we
baby fake. Daddy documents no why din what documents so why na your issue.
It is not your document. It is say me say defamation is not in your. It's not. Me say mama bear.
Who can use
mama?
It?
Me say mama bear.
Problem, papa. Mami, I na there more problem. Hamu.
Me ni problem mo. Me no. And I make say me. Some other person.
Okasa nyina a bully, and I would him. Okasa the way we see kasa from the nyina a bully.
I mean, kasa me say mama Akosua sa person bully. Mama Akosua sa person bully.
And I would him.
Mama Akosua sa person bully. Mama Akosua sa person bully. Listen, me I hate people who are bullies.
Auntie,
I know how it feels to bully people. That is why when she tried to bully Odobroni, I stood up that we will not allow. And truly, we didn't allow her to bully her. Mama Akosua Serwaa it's a bully.
So she never really tried to bully you.
Mama Akosua Serwaa tried to bully Odobroni.
That's what you think. You think that is bullying?
Ghana for
my sister is telling me I'm a bully.
Ghana, including even the government, people bully mama.
The government hasn't done anything, please.
The way the Ghana government, some of them, bully mama on the social media.
What has the government done?
Ghana for bully mama.
My table for 2 hours. I didn't say a thing.
Bully mama.
My team for 2 hours. I didn't say a thing. I was here listening to everybody. So please, when it's my turn, accord me the same level of respect. Me, what I'm saying is me initially in this matter, I was supporting Mami Akosua Serwaa until she tried to bully Odobroni. Me, if tomorrow I'm here,
baby, and to stop talking that.
Mami Akosua Serwaa no do boni wan ye bully no man nkasa.
I'm happy say me free ho.
So we
say me nya Mami land say sure. So please don't get offended oh. Adewe don't be offended oh. And on the pa me say when we go to court, one of the arguments that will be led is that if I say DVLA I issue fake license are you the issuing institution? It's different matter for me saying say Mama Bear I call alternate ni license no. Ana Mama Bear license ne kuta no one kasa ibia wa change serial number no. Ana ono kasa na print ye. Ono kasa and ye. That I'm defaming you. I'm saying say why ye baby bonnet. But some catch yourself passport you fake. And the laws does not make you the originator of passport. The law has a passport. You are just a holder of a passport on behalf of a country. And to make us a passport you fake. Now Dimika, hey,
baby daddy. Hey, so will be from a passport the could be bonia. Why near betcheno?
No, there's a difference between
Mama,
there's a difference between say Marcus and Mama Bear. Mama Bear, I the passport need to be there. But Mama Bear, get the difference. Say me catch Mama Bear passport and your original. Mama Bear passport no issuing institution no. Ebi kwa na issuing institution. My mistake keke. My mistake because ebi na printer na print your passport no. And that day there was an error on it. And your fault. It is a make say fake. I'm not casting doubt on you. Say one na wako alter passport. Now I print your passport. The issuing institution is the one who can say that no, you are.
The lawyer say fake, or you seen the lawyer who says now that you fake.
There be a me catch them say. There be a me catch them say. Lawyer or file mama Akosua Serwaa funeral injunction no. Okoko dine catch no. Even the judges be or they laughed at them. They laughed at you guys there. In this 2026. In fact, because of Mama Akosua Serwaa, I promise you, say Ghana will stop all these people filing funeral injunctions. Look at lawyer Anoche. Also, it's hard time the Supreme Court makes a final.
Because of Priscilla, Ghana will never accept.
Listen.
Obi or
Madam.
Me land you because stop me. Me san can
because of Mama Akosua Serwaa.
Ode mame fa banunsi Sekufi 1 minute. Me final thing na me can say Sekufi. Se me ka say Sekufi suit blue year sheni. Sekufi blue suit blue year sheni. Oseme Sekufi fa che me. Oseme owudinia. Na Sekufi ka che me say Mr. Bempa wo go me hu fia. Okay, no cre. But Sekufi cause fa suit black sign she. Na osan de make call say me say ni suit me say Osewudinia. He has changed the structure of my accusation.
Me say Wudin in retract
my retract me who say me me who okay say me ka say
Mr. Bempa hypothetical
me ka say Mr. Bempa
how do you use me Bempa use me
ka say Mr. Bempa because Mr. Bempa tare or se kronfo Mr. Bempa tare black yen or se kronfo but se kronfo social meeting no yanti o kasa no meeting aha ya kasa Mr. Bempa tare black yen or se kronfo na wako hey mo Mustafa mi o yeah elite meeting homa me elite me so meeting homa me me the manu sisi akufi facha me say me kasa Mr. Bempa tare black yen or se kronfo Mr. Bempa si wo go me hu fi me do court ye do court wa evidence Mr. me de ba na Mr. Bempa de be ene enya tare black in the shan view wa she black ene the white aye abo mfinfin no ene the belt white as abom eno na ye evidence my lord she matare black ene white a abom yi ene white a me de asoso yi eno I mean, say Wudini. There be Mr. Bempa. What's his evidence no? Mr. Bempa kacho say Wudini no. Na enye atari we na show. Intinye evidence na there, but you've submitted a different evidence. Sir, crocro the crocro the misbehavior ne. Sir. Terrible legal advice no e bi na masaya amode court no obi say wo certificate enye authenticated enye original and for the right process enye certified enti fake udimrika otikwa paikum o say odo ekode ne court what if fufu sika ne bi de court now ukodru court ukodru court
just ubenya so woni business creative business or dey na dey hey
ukodru court enye unauthenticated no enye not certified no enya unidentifiable no enu mom na dey cool. You have bundled new documents in the court and now they cause enu na when court obey. Listen, don't follow lawyers. So lawyers obeji usika oni problem obeji usika na di okoria emfa lawyer kusi oriye okoriye e wo court efa no ona order na yira ase me da me yira ase wa bo me pa na me ntimi na ebre bi duruye na me su e no on so bi mu. Lawyers don't care about your defeat. Eye wa wan kase wani ngu ase enti please me da mo ase se mo tie me hu se mfo no se ukofa lawyer no Jews ka say I may see mother me china tum na se ukoria na oba ha na ompese obeka say you are certificate the faker. We will say it. That is why you need good lawyers. Adepa mo bisun ka sabi na anhwa nkofo be sun ha me na wase.
Hey, question.
Thanks for the entertainment. Baby that
Adepa Mr. 1 minute pe Adepa 1 minute pe na me si me pa chao.
Maybe some question.
Me
question. 1 minute.
Sir, also 1 minute. Sir,
1 minute, Mr. Ramo.
Gabi, over 30 seconds.
I think say a both for me say 1 minute. Me ma submission me nyai at the parliament kasa just 1 minute na mako. Social omunyina adepa omunyina obia be man submission kama adepa de mesro ni se bomodia na hwem omoba omokasa eti amanfo kese that's bullying no ai koma ya maame no mono eni ade no eni omonkasa na omunjai if you say friends court no omunja yo every week bia mienu enam kwan so every week bia mienu enam kwan so enti yenim enye fese ebetomre bi no yesi o ade platform so ena okoka asase mu ozi
bullying na ka bullying na ka no say bia new almost when you do that you make us angry.
The advice na me dey
why can't we say why you stopping people from saying
advice na me dey
why you stopping people from saying go and see what we are not
authentic means fake.
They say advice fake
people cannot bully us. You people cannot bully us.
Why?
You people cannot bully us.
Advice, media advice.
We cannot say that it is fake, but you guys can say to sack. We can't say that it is fake, but you guys can say to tables in Adanesa.
Ben Mishro, just 1 minute. Has there been any subsequent Ben Mishro ruling has there been any subsequent ruling say the word fake is abolished and I say prohibited and
the word fake is not abolished. It is used interchangeably. In English, you can use a word interchangeably. You can use it, and it is. It is not abolished. It is still a word in the English language. Fake is the antonym for something which is not authentic.
My last question concerning Mr. Alex. The document said no me 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 send you social. No me bisa. So okay, say the main case na call you know. Ade ba ko ebe ye nunu bi kan ya say omo enyamre authenticate the document. Now ye mama so the document free baby a wote abagana eso was a pass it through baby or say fbia enti Alex mechre document kwa was so wo you know so chere say need any fake Alex is because because document or Germany one thing shows also no so dey no for evidence act cronen because no so a foreign document but you sanity
of course it's the same thing.
Enti no mo hye ne se chinchina onko hia onko yina no okona say the document na pass it through yen reject
I'm rejecting no
ne so mo rejecting na yen call from mo be kan che ne say yan gine document na ntum
no cry no the same thing agent
double standard no mo ka say you ru yen ko so na say
it's me say this whole matter, it is just a bunch of people trying to who have gotten money. It say Ohiani when sika, say bully everybody in the society. That's how it was. First na sika mayano. Not everybody was silent. You see sika bani de ye be silence community no. Ye be chiro bi anyansa. Ye mo bi an kan opeso kan.
Baby daddy won't show Gucci that.
It is against the constitution of Ghana to keep silence about injustice. It is against the Matiminiaba.
Your my question is say servo court order. Nasa wunyam court to cry it timika se evidence na.
Say you enter if you are entering court now, so when court, but if you are entering your appearance, you have to bring your evidence.
Me patcho on the evidence ne bibia in your certification won't miss record say oma womre ne faye.
Also court they also you have to please say okay maybe either say I have to certify before I come, or my evidence maybe I'm in the process of it. But master record say okay, but you still have to certify. When you had the
exactly, but
you can make an argument. A court no be bit me deny, bit me accept any day. Enye say ne ma me Akosua say wa certify or dey ba no. Say first when me ampa but you see wa kwakosere akoye I dey no dey ba be see you go for no.
Enti the make I see so say na say enye say you wuro yenim kosoro me bo yenim ya ebimu if you listen to the question that Eugene said, the double standard I will not speak. See, I will not speak what I said. I asked you right now.
No. The point is say the point. No, ebimu guso. I'm not saying say, but other Martin Kofobi other platforms so or asema mo kano double standard. Sene omutimi uhwema mo Roman uhwema. But I'm not saying say it's you. I'm not saying say it's you or any of the people listening to us.
But Eugene as some more kind, you know. It's based off of the kind of platform ha. But me mean so be our platform. You so I will run in Kosovo.
Oh, and you don't get offended. Don't get offended by that. Don't get offended by that. Or cancer and you so
Mr. Bempa, Mr. We meet my submission.
Of course, maybe me that.
Okay, me that.
I'm saying na edu mi so.
Edu mi so.
Oh, there be a swimming so smafo. Oh, no need to know.
Okay, smafo, sorry.
Okay. Abusuafo me chiachia obi a ade pa be chia o. Die di kan me kasa afa ebia Alex investigation no ehun. Me win say Alex ekoye investigation 1 Emma ono ankasa ne ho ene 2 enye di siw 20 asem no a ewo court no edna Alex abusuya pani eye defendant abusuya pani ka asem ewo court no ho en Alex ye spokesman Emma abusuya pani enti investigation Alex koye ye ewo Germany no me madwen kire me se oye ma abusuya pani efiri se asem no etuo ntwaaye yenwie efiri se sebe nia asem no anko yi ama no o se obeye appeal enti appeal no oya appeal na abusuya pani ka ho odobro ni ka ho ena funeral se director so says ifo don so won so ka ho fi say won na ye de won call court ena maame no di document bi ba ya won object ye ena court no ejina eniema bi nso se eniema bi so ena won wanye anton enti ema maame na ntimi ani nkonim now maame no epese approve the marriage e de kire court no enti the same case a abusuya pani ka ho funeral for no ka ho ena odobroni nso eka ho it yese won lawyers ebeko akodi won lawyers ebeko nania esese won object no won object eno kwasemu ewum ni se asem wo court na eko appeal level a echepa me am de me ho ye example me de asem court ena eko appeal level na me feel say ebebentem na nso appeal no edi 2 years ansana won frɛ asem no emi akwakosia ho it is a asem appeal na especially enye criminal case etimiche ansana hearing ni ade nyina aba ena esanse ye ho no eniema bi wo ho a anase documentation bebre no eye through manual processing etimi ma eniema che eti appeal no de eyade a enye ne ene ochena ena ebeye afei se yeba bibi ti se Alex esiwa yesiw no de tia ni se sabi uni adaje a yenko court anase yentwe manson efise se ye pese enema ye pepepe ewo nipa ya brabom enti ne yedi court esi ho se obi sisi wobi na wonte ase a na wo de akodane won se won de won ye neutral people enti won hwemu ma now wo de asem eko se me a me kasei ena opese usi wumi a esese wuhunu midin ene baby amete anase madress ene okwan a wo befa so wuhunu eno de eno an se wo de akoma court no se onipa sumasi se bia onipa osomafo a ote ha no me siw no anase be de na ba court si said ye beya se aida se court no edna siw a wasiw me no on be tro me amamaye awe ehunu se bempa de me aba court enti no memmoa me ho ne bia dasei ye behyiam ewo court ho anase Ghana de no ye de letter no anase summons no eba be hye me osomafo mensa enti court no ena be soma bailiff say fasa sebu wei krata wei ekɔhye osomafo nsa se bempa de na ba court eno ansana ebeya dansi die se me osomafo mensa ka bempa semo a ode me akɔkɔɔto no enti saa na se wanfa amre me ana se bia wanye ne se no be publish no wo paper mu enti obi a obehu no obetimi abebo mamane de makɔhwɛ paper mu se wanye ne saa okwan a wo fa so se wo ye no se mensen kan ya wo ye hu hwia enyi ena obi entimi mfo so me se me fa bi details ema obi no it is a wunnim saa de we ya ha wo ho wunnim onipa ni details a ena social media ya de a esanse enipa enke no kware ewo wiase enipa bone ewo wiase nti bebre na no emfa wudin ankasa ema social media no ye want different ways. Obi de ne guy name, obi be create din bi, obi ho a ne din baako. Say ye frano ebi akwasi amufa danso a. Obetimi afa danso no nko a, obetimi afa kwasi no. Ebi kura mpo a na wa use ni initials na ode yaba. Ohun. Enti se wo ka se wo pese nipa no details e wo social media de a ebeye den. Eti eba ne sa enema bi wo ho a on ha wo ho. Ebi ya waka se mbi ma atia wo. Eti se wo pese wo respond a e de ko social media ho no correspond because ni din na e wo ho no enye official name. Unti bi mfa sa asem we nkokot. Enti se wo ko fa din bi e de masa nipa no na wo nipa na amuwa wa anase ukofa din bi e de masa nipa na wa anti nipa ne nka enye se wo nipa na dwane o na de ne se wa amfa emra kwan papa so fi se wonim nipa ne din edin bi a wo betworo wo ho no ebetimi aye wo bia din esese wo hu wo nipa no edin a wo use ni official name na wo tworo wo document ni nyina so ema ye hunu se ade wi osomafo na ade breme enti se onipa no edi din fufuro na abeto ho na wo gina sa din no so a eno de emfa wo bia ho onipa no beka se ono onya ayi enu nti na ma me bisa Alex se anya bia wanya letter every court anase ya soma emeye de bibia behye ne nsa osi dabi onya ahwe enti in that case no ni aye kanyina fa yesiu Alex no yensiu no frisa ne nsan kaye munye hu nipa no enti se be take you 2 years ansa na mahunu nipa ko a woya mo hwehwe ansa na matimi aka ho asem ena fei appeal no documenta investigation no documenta Alex nyaaye no anase wako Germany akoye no de dikan eye asem weda ho dada ena ebia abusuapani ahye de se anase wakire de se yenkoye saa hwehwemu na eduru court wasem no so a ye de akoya dansidie e de akwakoma court no e de akan yasem se de ye ka no yenyina so woni enti se wakoye investigation anya bibia enye social media e no de ba beto bra eye court wasem won court na onfe ma court ontimi nye saade no enu obi eni ho nso wa obeye saade no de tusu mienu investigation na okoye ye no enye Ghana watu kwan watra Ghana border enu wakoye investigation no enna wanya no evidence eye court wasem enti se court no appeal court no eduru so na won fra eno ani se obeko baby a onya evidence na se de Ghana mra ahye se what the document ifri o man foforo so ba o man official way a o kwan yesese wo fa so no saa kwan no enesese Alex efaso na court no nse ka saa document no enti ansana ebeba social media ema obia behu no ebe fa saa evident act numu akosi court ho enti se beba social media agise bia owa kasem na wie court ebeye no se eye public document anase agise court ensaka no ye ne se eye public document ansana obia ensa ebetumi aka ente saa de di kan Alex entimi mfa ma social media de atusu mienu ebia ontimi meka mu asem e wo social media enti ɛhɔ no saa nete ebia sida sebe eye obi asem a ebesi na ye fa ho nyansa ani nimdeɛ sebe maame Akosua Serwaa ni marriage no ni marriage certificate no esan say according to court no wan fa emra Ghana fo nyina ahyehye e de ato ho say wo de document efri amanone eba oman no mu a fa kwanse so wantimi amfa so nti court say de ode baaye no enye papa medium yusu twi enye papa said ye be use English words bia de describe no medium kasa mu no de minim ne say enye papa enti court wa anye antom se wo fa emra kwan no so de ya enne enka court be yatom ana say enka defendant no won lawyers no on be yatom because wa fa sa amra no so na so wa amfa so se wonim wa amfa so ena emra ebi a ye share no ese onko fa so emfemra no emra no so ye no na bi a wontimi mfa so emfemaye enti ye ka asem no ye se ye ntimi nye wasem no enton enti se oko appeal anase oko appeala adia esese ye hye ne nso ene se okwa appeala se odi document fufuro bia ekwa esese court no ene ma wo kwan se wo betimi aye saade no now we aye marriage certificate wedi kind bia kodada ema ebia se koye copy anase extract whatever said ye be describe ni bia enti se wo se odi original no eba bibie ni soa esese sesa from nia odi baaye no signature edin tro date you edi ni etie bia ensese bibia sesa if you say eno na ye original ena we ni ye copy enti copy no say ye photocopy say ebi a won print copy ena ye de maawo eni original no ensunsuru ye bia emmem enti say o de original ne ko na defendant no the slightest difference even comma ekrampa on be rejected. Na won reject ya on be ka kire court no say won ntime nyentom if we say we entroye we ani ntroye we no ha koma wa ha koma ni ho eye court asem obi apese wodi bem enti no won be kire mu die enti ya koma no a show difference a won nyentom a document ena mesrebo de tie ne se okokota enye kasam kwa ebi wo hokura mpo a won kasa won sem no waka agu paper so ena wo de koma judges no ahwem because kasa ne de eyeda wo gina court room ho no ena wo kasa ma judges no ate ebi anasem bi wo ho a wanka ne yi anase wantimi ankyirikyiri mu yie ewo paper no so na bia ye bisawo na waka enti se wo paperwork eno ni ade a ehia kese wo paperwork fi se nsama na ye kan wo court no enye ni nyina na epie ba na emom de wo de ato paper so do de ebepia ba enti said ye Ghana yetimi ka se we enye hwe baabi bebre wo ho a court de eye hwe pa government no ma court more than 20 times ewo UK enti no experience na me de kasa koma kete kurampo no lawyer tibi gina so ka say no se wo si we a copy of this enka koma we no esese apie enti ye foforo no wakotro wo de ba da court no waka kire court ye nyentom and ultimately nka say court na sisiu wanye wadwuma yie ena fei o lawyer wo befa se wantimi antufo ewo niema bi ho na ye yia enu nti ne ewo good lawyers and bad lawyers ebeko atiawo ade bi wo ho a enano na me kasa na me kase lawyer kusi wa maame akusu ya Serwaa die nti a maame kasa ne se unipa de nasem eba wo nchen a ubebisa no questions na afi wahwe documenta unipa no owo eno be mu ahunu se ebi a unipa no owo case anazo oni case fi se court no evidence ade a wode beto ho a wo bia begina ho a obeka se we die
no entientiam ne enso yetimi aka bi why
okay we die the ode abeto ho no eye nukuri turudu na emum enye se wasem a wo beka no na bi aye hu mobo anase ye nyi woni enti se wo de asem ko court ne gina marriage so a marriage no wo se eye ordinance adia kedi kan a every lawyer ebebisa ho eye marriage certificate enye ready a any lawyer bia wo ye good a wo pese wo winni ebeka kire wo say without that no ebi amintimi ni wanim because eno pe ene ade a egina so a obetimi di akire say ampa why ordinance enya pictures na betimi aba say wo kogina mu kura ama obi enti enya pictures name certificate na wo correct name any will be details woso ena esese wo deko enti se wantimi amfa saade na ankwa na ebuti yawa enye wo bia fault eye wo lawyer no na wa amawa medi manu si no de meka atwato ene se sebe unless case ye ba yi no English word bia waka anase nipa bi aka enunti enema yede won akogina court say bia ongu maame no hufi ensa word no fake me hwa no obi ti se papa shi ene abusua pani eko TV so kasa no onwa ankoka brofo on kan twi na emom ya sei yensem ya sei ye kasa anti na ye kasa yentimi nka kasa baako se twi ne ye kan yentimi nka twi no enkosi ase se brofo ne ye kan yentimi nka brofo no enkosi ase na ye de ya frefra enunti ne ma se ensebun eba wonte se Germany uko Germany ya German ka German a wodi English be frefra wonte bi wonte se uba Englander Englishman kasa wodi French be frefra because France for colonize England for adenti ye de yesa ema beduru sa mere enunti ema yedi nipa bi ekogina court eye de manu besi ha so obi wasem foforo bi a obetimi ya bisa me
Pacho obi be wisa a question ana
obi any question o Pacho nyo konkoana.
Okay, Mami social, a patrol or ham, person without question why. Name Serwaa daddy. Okay, let me ask baby daddy. Baby daddy, please, are you here?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay, I want to ask a question. Okay, as for the Serwaa certificate, I'm still waiting for her to prove that she's the only wife. So I don't want to talk too much about it. But some of us, we are not married yet, and we have taken our mothers who are older than us and have experience as people that we can look up to. So there are certain things or certain actions that when they take, if things are not if things are not being said or discussed well, you be making the same mistakes. Baby daddy me patrol. Adie way me mama no me ntiase. I don't know if it is done in our Kan culture. I've lost her dad too, and I didn't see my mom do that. So I have asked her. She said it's not done. You are a man. I want to know whether it is done. Please, as a wife, you are in abroad. You have heard that your husband is dead. Waba, okay. Is it right for a wife to actually go to her late husband's friend's house for a Penny to actually meet her there? Is it done?
I mean, ideally, dear, I will say you best so a year or ban a fee. But in this case, no, Ebiana Obano, Onifi, Ebiana or Intino, the ideal one they senka Oba Ufi na wa fee na onu kunu fee. Baby ukunu, especially se ukunu fee dia na se mo matrimonial home na se ho dia ideally was say ho na ye besi we yi. But in this case no ma me say in this example me ban mami ya e kan ho ase media say na o say oni fie onya baby na nti fie bi no yede ma no nti ho na o stress ye mesi na yi wo nti no I mean the ideal one to send your dobro ni away on what ni kunu fie nti no ho no kunu wo nti ho na e wo say ye besi na yi. But in this other case no I mean it didn't happen like that, you know. I don't know, maybe if there are other people who have other answers, but me that's what I know.
I don't understand. Some people are saying that the East Legon house like this, allegedly, it's in Serwaa's name, the land itself. So why couldn't she go there? I don't understand. A lot of my people don't get it. People that even love her don't understand that thing she did. Cause like me and no say me
you are no kakra.
Your question is adding to one fee, right?
Yes. Not even Nikunu family home crack, but for fee. Why?
Mr. Ramami, you are no kakra. Okay. Petche will be before say mommy be coffee. I might have seen a year. Underground work. Any advice with elders? Because the elders here, Miriam, Nifie, Bushian for name Penifua, Omuhunu Sino. It will for say it's a bit timia. Enka omenko ifina Lumba any other brunette no omenko ho at that particular time. There are some details I mean to me in Kanwa. Nam se na bibia wo Accra no. Omo yese enye na ifie ni yetu nenko beko nipa nenko ko be ada so beko despite ho ana so beko Kenpong. But Kenpong will file ifie which man even one house, full house, I say on Tiho. Then the Frebrono is saying Trazako. But my America say for safety and I'm the no who be painting. Okay, I say for the safety ni bibiano. Obe prefer say obe tuna Kenpong mo fio is clinical. nti no omo nyina ate ase ne bra osofo ate ase ebusua pen maam se ebusua pen no bi ate ase and omo de Kenpong ho no baby a obebesi at that time nti na ebusua fo no call ho kose no se afi na officially yedensa ebese se wukunewu
okay, well,
I can't remember me bo itimiye I can't remember no say fan say ukuna na say wuyiri wu ne bia de omo ye besi waye no say honye wukuroma any place you choose say hona betina say yemesi waye no is allowed. But say you krom dia eno de de say wo de omo ba wabusua fie wontimi koye no obi fie but say you krom ma me nsu ofiri sechere onfiri akra na koye say obi man so no mu nyina akopi ho nti say enye wo krom dia yentimi hyew say chinchina ifie wo mu ne pese yeba but say you krom dia ene de obusua fie na busua penene wo famone fie ma mpanimfo atwa wo ho ahia ne aba abese nti se obisa amamre na nkyeremu a metim de ama na me ma example say me makonta wuye na me sister nyina wo akwantuo me kan so mu nyina wo outside Ashanti region nti me sister na ono nko asi ni fie na wone yeno ni kunutimu no ontimi entena ho osuru ntina owo madam ba ko anu wote teacher ni ba ko anu wote kromo ho no wane na netia no wane ne da ne maambi ne da nti omo besse no ayiye no amamre kwan so no sali di ni fie ho ena omo koye eno mkosi ne yiye no eno no de ensa no ebre esuma bre busuafo se mi kuna busuafo abesi me yi officially say mi kuna na ye so mu Ashanti region into is allowed but say you kuma ufri mu say ufri joso na say ufri kofodua e wo se ye de bo busuafie and you ntimi ko bi busuafie say family wo question ubusaya nchimo ametim de amount no.
Now did she tell was Ebusia Penny to pack away? That she wants to, not just her, like not just Nebusha Penny kwa, because enyen Nebusha Penny bi newu, Lumba newu. Lumba is from a home, a family. So the man say what tell Nebusha Penny that's where she wants to go to.
That question anu yene say answer na until sesa wentwu we besi no. Ma many bear until set 1 week in Utremo, introduction near the coffin same way in Abayano. Now there was peace and there was communication across. BBA and what is the encranoma BB opposite Busia Penity be a normality. And until Nabusia Penny so it be any muma or muku fiona. Because one can't na nku hu baby o wompo no akaso de nsen kwese no na menyi ni sabusha pen so agina baby a even a comment on that issue ne da timinim die
offer nipa me pa chaw de wo kan abusua pani ekọ UTV no o kan ho asem de ntia ema o se na yi e wo Kenpong efie according to Abusia Penny no na dwen ye ne se maame no eba behye kumase enti na ono Abusia Penny no eboa ne ho se obesan akokumase na wakose no ena okoto no wo ampon ho Kenpong ho ena o se wabehunu wo hade a Penny obeye no wo hwa
na kumase no ye hwan fie eye ma se wa fie na ye ne
kumase no se onimu se ehona maame Akosua Serwaa efiri a oba wote enunka ehon so na nabusuafo ewo na ofasoro nipa mepache wo ma memfa banu nsi wo we hu se ye ka akanfo amamra de wo kan yi afeyansa na enipa pese wo de ka ho enya kam enye amamre ewa kan mu se ukunwu a baabi a wo be chusu no ene ye besi wayi enya no kore
ehon ye besi ipacho
eye modern
dabi akamamrem ipacho ti dabi
eye modern
akamamrem sabi ye nyina ye akamfo akamamrem no se wo ti sirem na wo no kunu abusuafo nyina wo sirem ho na wo kunu ewu a die ye faso ne se omo be di kan aba abese wayi no wo sirem ho ebisa ho no omo nyina no wo na omo hwia 2 ways ada se ombema bufuni bi aka wo ho wo maba wo kurom abesi obusua panini ana se wo beje enson se bision na wo de abeka twa obusua panini se mekunawu na mekuna busua fo aba abesi me ewo baabi a me ne wo mote no na ensan na se bisia omode ba ye nie na busua panina so ipacho amamre no yemfa tintin bia ye wo bia nto nchen na yen chire mu ma enchire ma no so
enunti na me chire wo se enya baabi a wo bechusu ene ye se yie
aha wo mutimi nhya wo se chenchina atana ha ti o se wukunu wo wukunu te ensu ato ebudan no ama edan ne fa ebu ama wukunu ebudan no ma
Dabi no mo chire you to the wrong things no we die
Dabi
Daddy Lumba fie wo ho Daddy Lumba fie wo ho the man's house it's not any house
mama chiro
ni kunu fie wo si boye ni kunu fie wo so why would she go to the friend ni kunu adam
Eurato bo yen chire wade wa ha obitimi wu and before say omba ba si enipa nimpo no na emma boni ade wo ma ebusua panini timika se maame ebi kura titu akurafo mbasa akurafo a omotie ebi akurafo miensa akurafo 9 ebi papa ne wu before say even papa ne busua panini be take steps no let's say tokwane ade wo ho no ma ebusua panini be maka se maame obi ankotena ne fie ma besemu onka se wo montena fie ho echinchina e ma nan montena fie ha ya munmu kuru nete ha da bi enye ne sa amamre no yede intina e kasa amamre bia no ade di mu kana eni asumdue de busia pelini hwa dia asumdue.
I'll just ask a question. I want to make my submission. Thank you. I want to say something.
You told me that we are teaching the youth wrong.
Yeah, listen, you see, Ebusia Penny, I am very hurt that people are mad at him because some of us we've been to friends' funerals, meetings. The way people are mad at him, because Ebusia Penny have really been bad.
Na offer enfana minsi wadaro na why
no me na me kasa o mama so
owie na kasa why
me se uratie hwe saha ye ba ha o ye bedi nkomo obia won opinion Ghana fo aye wo ho akwantuom efie Ghana baabia no ye wodi opa busia penna asem ye wodi ani buafu no ye wodi opa odobroni asem ye wodi ani buafu no ye wodi opa ma Serwaa asem ye wodi ani buafu no nti se wo pa busia penna asem no so bi buafu na eno nkyere se nipa no sebe wonim de wo ye ono nso betima be kire reason ti ani buafu no nti won so ba e ma obu mfu wo ma obu afu no na mom bi nti a won so pa busia penna asem no na won so aka na nadofo ani age ana me so di nti a me penna asem no me so meka na won so a won so edwa no won so ani age sa na edi nkomo wa ha me da ase wi ana me ko me
ya Serwaa me pa chamanin ko why
okay me honestly Ebusia Penny is a very good man to me because he was so lenient on a lot of things. That's the first question I'm busa baby daddy say a right say a year a year eko nikunu adam fufie Ebusia Penny bebre ayenim omo Ghana especially. Many are dem pa. Sometimes they intimidate kunafo pa. Omo. But one, Ebusua Penny didn't even question Serwaa with some movement now. She made her feel comfortable because in the first place, Mame not to Germany. Wabehu se obafo fro eti East Legon ho. Inti, you know what? Se wo te hana waba no p. You see, I don't understand this whole anger. Ebusua Penny ko hu Serwaa ewo Kenpong ho. O mama Serwaa hu say makowu kunu fie na makowu oba wo ho. Oba makowu oba wo ho. Na me pa cho wo te Germany. Oba foforo no so te Ghana ha. E mamu be ye krasem bia. Na yensie da di Lumba wa sumdwe mu. Why didn't Serwaa? That was the right moment for Serwaa to express whatever that she is feeling. If you are at Kenpong's house already, you may never know. Maybe Ebusua Penny Krano or then say